Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color two super cute cartoon characters. Let's start together. First, we begin with the hair. Draw a nice round shape. Yes, just like this. Now, let's add the nose. Make a small oval shape in front. Next, draw the eyes and a happy smile. Yeah, our character is starting to look alive. Now, let's draw the body. Time to add the arms and hands. Now make a simple dress shape, nice and easy. Let's draw the legs and little feet at the bottom. Great job! Our first character is complete. Now we repeat the same step for the second character. Head, nose, eyes, smile, body, arm, wow, you are doing amazing. And legs. Now outline everything with a black marker. So bright and beautiful. Now comes the fun part. Yay, it's coloring time.
Add a red color in the dress. Fill the grey color in the head. Fill the skin color in the hand. Now add a yellow color.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Now fill the bright color in the second character. Use dark blue color in the dress.
Look at your beautiful drawing. You did such a great job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye bye. First, we will draw a cute notebook. Draw spiral rings on the side one by one. Now draw a rectangle shape. Let's make it extra cute. Draw two little hearts in the middle. So adorable. Now let's draw a pencil. Draw two long lines at the rounded top and a sharp point at the bottom. Last, let's draw a cute scissor. Draw 2 big loops for the handle. And then draw the plates crossing each other. Wow, awesome! Now outline everything with a black marker. So bright and beautiful. Now it's coloring time. First, we are going to color a cute notebook. Let's use orange color at the top. And yellow at the bottom. Wow! Look at that beautiful gradient. Now color the pencil bright yellow. Add green strips in the middle. Fill the red color in the hearts. And color the tip gray and black. Let's coloring the scissor. First, color the handles pink. And the blade brown. Great job, little artist. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.